Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the FlexRent app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So if you are an iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. If you are an Android user, you can directly search on your Google Play Store or Google search bar. So here I am using Google search bar to search the app. So here I will just open it. So here you have to search for the FlexRent app. So you will likely search for the FlexRent app. So from here you can see their website. You click on here. Then here to scroll down and just click on it as get it on Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then if you are an Apple user, you have to click on this Apple Store. So I will just open it here. So from here you can click on install button. It will automatically download and install the app in your phone. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.